The extensive interconnectedness in IoV exposes the system to certain privacy challenges. The main ones are related to data collection, data sharing, and data breaches. IoV gathers a vast amount of data, including location information such as GPS data, in-vehicle sensor data from cameras and LiDAR for example, and potentially even biometric data such as voice commands. This raises concerns about who has access to this data, how it is stored and for how long, and most importantly, how it is used. Data sharing challenge. IoV also shares data with various entities, including manufacturers, service providers, and potentially even third-party companies. Without clear regulations and user control over data sharing, there's a risk of personal information being misused or sold without the user's knowledge. For example, user data collected from IoV can be used for profiling and tracking. For instance, the constant data collection creates a detailed profile of a user's habits, routines, and destinations. This personal information could be used for targeted advertising, insurance risk assessment, and law enforcement without proper safeguards. In addition, there is a potential exposure to data breaches. If hacked, IoV systems could be compromised, potentially exposing sensitive user data or even allowing adversaries to remotely control the vehicle. Again, this highlights the need for robust cybersecurity measures to protect against unauthorized access. Here are some potential solutions. Strong data encryption. Encrypting data at rest and in transit can make it difficult for unauthorized parties to access it, even in case of a cyber attack. Data minimization. Collecting only the data necessary for essential functions and anonymizing it whenever possible can minimize the amount of personal information collected. User control and consent. Users should have clear control over what data is collected, with whom it's shared, and for what purposes. Data governance and regulations. Clear regulations and industry standards are needed to protect user privacy and ensure responsible data handling practices.